Hello, in this video I will try to explain how I fixed my hot start problem in my P38. Essentially I have done three things, not at the same time, and this is my experience that I would like to tell you. I think it's a common problem for the diesel P38s with the BMW engine with a hot start. When the engine is really hot, you turn the key, and the car struggles to start. So I started by installing a hot start box. I bought it online, and the car got better. Now I have unplugged at this point. I have the box, but it's not working. I turned it off. Okay, it may be helpful. I'll tell you in a future video what I have done, how I have installed the hot start box. It's a plus. It works. It helps, but I think it's not the main problem. Then later on, I made the fuel injection pump tuning. There's information online in the internet how to do that. I bought some tools. And I made just a small tuning setting at the fuel injection pump, and the car became much better. I will try in a future video also how I have done that. But even so, the car was not good as I wanted to start really quick when it's hot. And then I found another problem that I also solved, and that was the ground fix. And this video this video is mainly for this part. Essentially, what I have done was that installed a new cable from the battery. The engine itself, it has the ground strap that is connected to the chassis. And this strap is the only ground connection to the engine, I guess. So it was not very good. I take it off. I cleaned it and put it back. Didn't notice much difference. It got better just a little bit. So I installed on the back side there is a place for a bolt there, and I installed a new cable that comes directly to the ground, to the minus of the battery. The battery is connected to the chassis. Originally is connected to the chassis, and then the chassis is connected to the engine. I don't know if along this way if there is some path for the ground. So I installed a good cable directly from the minus of the battery, from the ground to the engine, and then this solved greatly my hot start fix. That's what I have done. So the cable comes from the engine directly over there, and directly to the minus of the battery. Another thing, and I think it's very important, is that I installed a battery with a much higher cold crank amperage, 975 amps, and this also makes a big difference. And that's it. So if you experience a hot start problem with your diesel P38, before you do anything, check your ground and try to put a new cable directly to the battery, increase your cold crank amperage of your battery, and try if that fix the problem. If not, and it's also important to have the fuel injection pump set correctly, and maybe you don't need the hot start box that I will explain in a future video, and also how to how I did, I don't know if it's the correct way, but how I did the fuel injection pump setting or tuning to the correct value.